Let me show you how to screencast your Google Pixel 10 or 10 Pro to any smart TV running Google TV. So doing this is extremely easy if you have basically a TV that is running on Google TV. So one of those TVs maybe like Xiaomi TVs, or you have one of the sticks. So all you will do is on the TV you actually do not really have to do anything. So make sure it's simply turned on, and we are simply going to swipe down in these quick settings over here, and you see you have this cast option in these quick menus. If you do not have, you can simply press this pencil thing and find in the available options and bring it here. So as you see, as soon as launch, it will find basically my TV. So I can select to either cast like one app or also the entire screen. So maybe let's select this one, and you see once I do it, yeah, works absolutely flawlessly. And again, there is nothing else to be done. So if you also see, if I flip my phone over like this, also it works absolutely awesome. And if you want end, basically on the top over here, so again, you can simply click on this one and disconnect, and job done. Okay, good luck.